If you are more than 45 years and attain menopause, pregnancy seems unbelievable, is it? But with the modern techniques of IVF, we can bring back your menstruation and the uterus can be made ready for a pregnancy with a pretty good success rate.
Habay keren beginong patay kubor Menteri Rang Bak Kejelam Meghalaya Conrad Kongkal Sangma uloong bahak artikel beningkong jong riti synshar lakadau syai bakari India kadei ruk ke Bharat bat usngau sarong ban pyndonkam lang ya ki kerteng India bat Bharat uloong haba Ukraine ke Hindi an pyndonkam me kyntien Bharat ndai haba Ukraine ke Pareng pyndonkam me kyntien India bat kadai ke balakadau syai ke riti synshar bat kamdan jerwit jerwat ndai lepen mi hi yakini ke haba kam shumnadan kanu ke jerwit jerwat uloong bakinong thau ke riti synshar bat kinong thokot bat kinong alam san perthai kilarai bagadai bandai Bharat bat India bat kai ke bakile amata kalong baki bot ke riti synshar bat amsngo bagadan kejing bakla ha ke pyndonkam ya ke kyntien nakadai India ne Bharat haka bedai bat ka one India one election ru Menteri Rangba uloong bakalong ka bae ban keren AA ya kania namar 4 ya i ke jing tho jong draft bill bat kwa ban keren AA tang da ke jing mundur habakali la ke sarkar ka thumu banwan ra da resolution ban persya ajor ke jing thumu ke sarkar pedang ban penteri kam ya ke uniform civil code UCC ha ke jella Menteri Langba uloong bakalong ka bae ban ong AA ya kania namar hado menta 4 ke draft bill jong ke UCC bat amla ban keren AA da ke basumudur ndai ke datang ke jing pan jing mut jong ke National Law Commission nagi patba Conrad Kongkal Sangma uloong balada ke UCC ke kedau benang ne syakmat ke India kadai ban shimjat ne ke kentai balada shimjat shisha ne ke kentai ke jela Meghalaya tharai kandai ke beningkong ke ban pediang ya ke UCC kumta kamlong ban syukran AA de ke basumudur uloong ru ba ka UCC kam dai AA ke ban yo bat ban syuyat suk kari kum ke India namar kedan bon gizat ben riau bat kan long ke bae
or I'm in a platform anywhere, I say, it's going to be for us, our nation is India and we work with India. I'm very clear on that. अगर आप मुझसे पूछेंगे कि आप क्या करना चाहते हैं और देश का क्या हो रहा है मैं बोलूँगा कि हमारा देश भारत तो मैं हिंदी जब बोलूँगा तो मैं भारत बोलूँगा और जब मैं इंग्लिश में बात करूँगा मैं इंडिया बोलूँगा so I think there's no and the constitution is very clear it says India which is Bharat I think there's no controversy I think we're creating a controversy where there's no controversy so let it be we've been working in this manner see this issue if you ask me in 1947 or 1950 when the constitution came out at that point in time that decision was critical if that time the constitution makers and writers and the then political leaders had decided that it should be Bharat, then that's how it should be. But when the constitution at that point said that India, Bharat, right now what we're doing is we're following the constitution. And I have in many speeches of mine, whenever I speak anywhere in Hindi, I have used Bharat all the time because that's what India is. And wherever I've spoken anywhere in many platforms, I've used India because wherever so depending on the situation, we use it. I don't feel that it's a controversy as such. It is a question of using the language and wherever, and I don't think there's anything wrong in using the word either India or Bharat. I think it's all depends on the situation you're in. The Constitution mandates us to use either of the words, and India and Bharat, and I'm proud of both that words.